Okay, someone asked me how to do Jupyter Labs in AWS, so let's figure that out really quick. The main place I've seen it is in Sagemaker. And there's actually multiple ways of doing this. You can use Sagemaker Studio or actually create a notebook. Now I think there's even more places to do it in AWS. So if it doesn't have all the features that you want through the notebook, you might want to search for other options too. So we're just going to go to notebook instances, and I have one here that I created. So I'm going to delete that because we're going to create a new one. So create new notebook instance. Need to give it a name. So my lab. T3 medium's one that's about 5 cents an hour, if I remember right. So that's a good one to start with. Now, if you're doing machine learning, you're probably going to need something bigger. But anyway, because I'm doing this in Learner Lab, I need the IAM role of lab role, and that's fine. I think that's really all I need. So it does take a while to start up, so which is good that I paused this really quick. So let's see if it's so it's still going. When it's done, you'll refresh it and you'll see the options here. I'm going to pause it again. Okay, finally finished. So it actually refreshed itself. That took about 4 minutes, just a heads up. And that's a small one it shouldn't matter much on the size. So we're going to open, I think it's Jupyter Lab. And it should open us up actually to the notebook. So we're being redirected to our notebook instance. And we should have a notebook here. So Jupyter Labs is used for a lot of things. Machine learning is just one of them. I've seen it used in Cisco's IoT class as well. So we actually open an existing notebook if we'd like to. This looks like it actually doesn't have anything. But so you can change the kernel. So Python is one that's very well known and used. No kernel. Torch R, TensorFlow, Spark Magic. So there's lots of options here. And I think there are other options in some of the other areas. So anyway, with Python, we could go ahead and put Python code here and run it. So this is now Jupyter Labs running in AWS without having to install it or anything. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed that. Hope that's sufficient, and we'll see you in the next one.